So how do you make your iPad screen darker than the lowest point? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and tips like this one. So as you know, of course, you can go to the brightness controller in the control center and slide it all the way down. However, to make it go even below that, open up the settings and check out the accessibility section. Part of accessibility, there is the display and a text size, and at the bottom we have a reduce white point toggle, which is just one toggle, but when you enable it, you might see that it just goes down in the brightness right away, and you have a slider below. So it is reducing the intensity of bright colors, but it's a independent thing from the brightness. So you can see that you can just, slide it like to each direction, right? You can make it go all the way to the edge and it will make it look very dark. But again, it's independent from the other thing in here, right? So you can see that you just make it go even darker than the built-in settings. So that is how you could technically do it. Let me know if you managed to just set it up on your iPad. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.